So today is day one of van conversion, and the first thing we're doing is basically we're going to just take off all of this like plywood that's already on the side. Once we do that, we'll discover how much, if any, hopefully none, but probably some, rust is on the walls and on the floor and stuff, so we're going to have to fix that. And yeah, I don't know how long that's going to take, but that is step one today. Our first day of van conversion is complete. As you can see, we've taken all of the plywood off the walls and the floor. Luckily we didn't uncover too much rust when we've done it, so we've just used a little bit of like rust converter on the surface rust to yeah, stop that from getting any worse. Luckily no holes or anything like that, but yeah, we've stripped it completely, like cleaned it. There was so much dust in it. But yeah, given it a good clean, sorted out the surface rust. We're gonna let that dry now, so hopefully this time next week we can get it covered up with the metal paint, and then yeah, we can get cracking with actually starting the conversion and the fun bit, which is quite exciting. So yeah, day one wrapped.